In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the waiting for Wi-Fi issue in Google Drive. If you've ever encountered this message when trying to upload files, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, I'll walk you through several troubleshooting steps to resolve this issue. First, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. A simple way to test this is by opening a web page or streaming a video to ensure everything is running smoothly. If you find your connection to be stable, but Google Drive still seems stuck and waiting for Wi-Fi, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Often, Google Drive might be set to upload files only over Wi-Fi. In such cases, a strong mobile connection won't help and might still trigger this message. Now, if you're using Google Drive on your smartphone, we'll need to make some quick adjustments within the app. Open the Google Drive app and head over to your profile picture at the top right. Tap it, then go to Settings, and from there, Data Usage. Look for the option Transfer Files Only over Wi-Fi and toggle it off. Once you've turned off this setting, try uploading your files again. This should enable uploads over both Wi-Fi and mobile data. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. If the previous steps didn't do the trick, it might be time to restart both the app and your device. Start by completely closing the Google Drive app. Then, restart your phone, tablet, or computer depending on where you're encountering this issue. Once everything is up and running again, reopen Google Drive and check if your files are able to upload. Still having trouble? Let's clear the cache and app data on your mobile device to remove any lingering glitches that might be causing the problem. Go to your device's settings, tap on Apps, and then find Google Drive. Once you're in the Google Drive settings, tap on Storage. There you'll see an option to clear cache. If the issue persists, you might also need to clear data. Don't worry, this action might reset your settings but won't delete any files. Afterward, reopen Google Drive and give uploading another try. Lastly, it's very important to keep your apps up to date. Outdated app versions can lead to unexpected syncing and upload issues. To check for updates, head to Google Play Store if you're on an Android device, or the App Store if you're on an iPhone. Search for Google Drive and tap Update if there's an update available. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to solving the waiting for Wi-Fi issue in Google Drive.